Did you watch Pushpa 2 recently and wonder how ALLU ARJUN got rich just by smuggling red sandalwood? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Peter the Rock. Today's video has 4 sections. Red sandalwood is a highly regulated wood listed as near threatened by IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature, due to its rarity and medicinal properties. A slow-growing treasure, it takes 50 to 60 years for a red Sanders tree to grow to its harvestable size, making its timber incredibly rare and expensive. With prices ranging from 90,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh per kg, red sanders are lucrative target for illegal trade, fueling syndicates across Asia. Red sanders are listed under CITES and are protected under Indian laws, with export strictly prohibited to curb overexploitation. From concealing wood as granite slab to toiletries, smugglers go to great lengths, but agencies like the DRI are cracking down hard. It is believed to have blood purifying abilities and is also used as a flavoring agent in wine. This wood's stunning red hue and therapeutic properties make it a prized material for luxury furniture, musical instruments, and traditional medicines. Now, why does red sanders or RAKHT CHANDAN grow only in the SESHACHALAM hills of Andhra Pradesh? The answer lies in the unique soil in the area, its water content, acidity, aeration, and the availability of nutrients. I hope today's video was useful. Thank you for subscribing to Peter the Rock. Continue subscribing so that I am more encouraged to make better videos. In case you haven't watched all the videos uploaded on Peter the Rock, click on the playlist that you see on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.